Do you want to know how you can log into your QTAC Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your QTAC Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and search for QTAC Payroll Login. Then click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of QTAC. Now, you can write down your email address or your username on the first box. So go ahead and write them, and after you have written it down, go ahead and click on the password box and write down your password which is associated with your account. After you write down your password, click on this button and check on your password once, and then you can click on remember me and click login. This way you can successfully log into your QTAC Payroll account. Make sure that your email address and password matches your account, otherwise you cannot log in. And in case you have forgotten your password, click on this link over here and then write down your email address below over here and then click reset password. This way a mail will be sent to you by QTAC. Go ahead and check your mail, click on the reset link, and then you can reset your account again and you can log into your account. So guys, this is how you log into your QTAC Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.